Hello friends, so today I'm doing unboxing of this Ugg boots from Australia, ultra mini. So here is the box. Let's open them. Ta-da! Here they are. Here we have this thingy. Even two. And here we are. They look like this. Inside we have this nice fur inside. Here on the side we are like cut a little bit go down here, and the back it looks like this. We have pull tabs and Ugg sign here. Bottom looks like this. And they have those inserts inside. When it comes to sizing, I've got them in size. When it comes to sizing, I've got them in size 9, and they are still slightly bigger, so I think they are big. And normally in classic Ugg classic, I were even buying size 9 or 10, like even 10, because we were running small. But this one seems like they run slightly bigger. And I've got them in size 9. Let's try them on. Yeah, putting on is slightly harder. I'm not sure if it's harder. Here we are. Looks like this. Here is more. Here we are. good version of Uggs for spring and summer actually, because the higher Uggs are here high, and when you feel hot spring and summer, and in warmer months you can wear these ones, and they feel like warm just in the feet down the ankle. Okay, that's it for this unboxing. If you enjoyed such videos, don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and maybe I will do unboxing of other shoes. Like I've got some trekking shoes for Amazon work, and I've got also hiking boots from Amazon from Colombia, and also I have dupes of Ugg Classic platform from Walmart to unbox. So thank you for watching, see you, bye.